So this is a quick video on how to embed a tweet into Microsoft Sway. As you can see here, I have a new Sway open and it's just got a title card which has embed a tweet. To embed a tweet, we go to Twitter, and there's a tweet I put on about one of our videos where people think the email icon had gone, but it's just been rebranded. So if we want to embed that tweet, I click on the tweet. It will come up in full screen, and I click on the More button here in the top right and Embed Tweet. It will then give me some code here, and all I need to do is right click on the code and select Copy. Then I go back to Sway and I create a new card, and it wants to know what kind of card I want to put in. Select Media and Embed, and this is a general embed card, and any embed card that you get from Twitter, YouTube can just be pasted where it says paste your embed code here. And then if we click on play, we can look at how it comes out. So we can see our title card, and when we click the next, you can see that the tweet has been embedded within the Sway.